to my channel. It's your girl Mahogany Sun, and I'm back with another video. Today, it's not on locks though. I'm going to be doing a DIY today. Just some natural mouthwash. Yup, some 4-ingredient mouthwash that you can use, make really quick with the ingredients right at home. Alright, so what you're going to need are aloe vera juice, baking soda, water, and an essential oil that flavors essential oil that you like I chose mint and spearmint because I just love the way that they taste. So if you want to learn how to make your own mouthwash, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, so to make the mouthwash, we're just going to be using aloe vera gel, baking soda, and an essential oil. I chose to use mint and spearmint combination extract, and some water. And of course, a container to put it in, and then some measuring cups. Alright, so you're going to want to start with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And please make sure to use baking soda, not baking powder. And also, when you get your essential oils, get them in the aisle where you find your spices, not where you find your body stuff. They're two different things. Take it from me. I went and I almost grabbed the, you know. Alright, so then take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice. The aloe vera juice has a lot of benefits, not only for oral hygiene, but for other things as well. Alright, so then you want to add your essential oil. I only have a little bit left, so I guess I'm going to go ahead and finish her up. You can probably use, depending on how flavorful you want it, you can use 6 to 8 to 10 drops of whatever oils you have. And then I'm just going to refill up the rest of the bottle with water. We're going to give it a little shake. Alright, and then this is your final product. Your very own, all-natural, very safe mouthwash. 4 simple ingredients that you can get from your kitchen, and it's all very safe and effective. So if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and give me that thumbs up. And as always, if you like the vibe, make sure to subscribe as well, because I'll be back with more videos and more DIY projects. So peace and love.